everyone, introduce myself. My name is Janet Rachel Hetaria, number absent 18. Here I will describe Abipraya Tuban. Abipraya Urban Forest Park is located on Jalan Pahlawan, Biren neighborhood, Gedung Ambo Village, Semanding Subdistrict. Abipraya Urban Forest Park has a high attraction for local people and those passing through Tuban City. One of the advantages of this park is the large and the green area that provides a cool and comfortable atmosphere for visitors. Abipraya Urban Forest Park is also equipped with various family-friendly facilities. The park's playground area is specially designed for children and allows them to play safely and comfortably. Plenty of seating in the various corners of the park, allowing visitors to sit and relax while enjoying the beauty that is equipped like an airplane and the river made to beautify the city Tuban Yard.